Good morning, everybody. It's Ricky here with Apple Valley Farm. One of the things we do is we do engage in a lot of money-saving, homesteading kind of things. And this is aside from our sports card and our storage locker business. But one of the things we do is we do experiment with some DIY stuff. This is not exactly an experiment. This is something that we've been doing for a long time. But a lot of people have asked me about it, and so I'm going to, I thought I would just make a quick video and show you how we make a homemade disinfectant. And it's great. It smells great. We use it in our kitchen all the time. So I'm going to pour, let's just see, I'll pour... yeah, I think a half a cup of water in our little spray bottle. I'm going to push that to the side for the moment. Then I'm going to put some hydrogen peroxide. This is just the stuff you have in your bathroom. It's in the brown bottle. I'm going to put half a cup of this in there. So equal parts water and hydrogen peroxide. Now, some people use 2 to 1. I think that might be a little much. So we're going to go with just a half a cup of each. We're going to do it 1 and 1. That, in and of itself, that would actually do the job just fine. But I want to add some essential oils to this just because it makes it smell good. I'm going to put 5 drops of each of these in there. This is spearmint. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And this is lemon because I like it. And because it smells fresh and it's a natural disinfectant. And then this is citrus. Now, I happen to be using some Young Living essential oil. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But you certainly do not have to use Young Living. I'm kind of a fan of wherever I get it the cheapest. We just happen to have this. Now I'm going to rinse that down with the hydrogen peroxide, just a few bits of it. And that is it. I'm going to give this a shake. And that's it. And this, we use it everywhere. It's, it's safe around the kitchen. It's safe for the kids. It's safe for your pets. And there we go. Come on. There it goes. We just spray it on, wipe it off, and man, it smells amazing. It really does smell good. Oh yeah, smells fantastic. So there you go. Hydrogen peroxide, essential oils, and water, and that does the trick. I hope you like this, and hey, if you have any questions, give me a shout. I'll put some details in the information here in case you want it. Kind of a recipe, so to speak. But hey, if you like this, give me a shout. I would love to know. And of course, you can use other essential oils. You can use more or less, whatever, just kind of tailor it the way you want it and make it your own. But this is ours, and we love it. So there you go. Thanks a lot for watching. I hope this answers some questions, and I hope it helps you. Have a great day. See you guys again soon.